And you're supposed to level your shield to red. Whoever reaches red first
Or whoever
wins.
reaches that first wins.
Yeah. No helmet, only shield. And after every time you kill a person, you both reset, and you gotta let him pick up his shield. And the guy who loses, you also take 2 arc
That is
stars.
Wingman.
It's here. Wingman is in the middle.
Reckon we should head here.
Where I'm at. Come here. Okay, so first, you gotta shoot a warning shot if you're ready
We go take some fights.
Yes.
into the air, and then we start. Go to your position, warning shot, and then we
Where
start.
is wait? Where are you?
I can't tell you. That's the entire point,
okay,
right?
okay.
You gotta listen to the audio.
You can take any operator, use all their skills. Can use
And you
the
can't
charge
shoot
tower.
the dummies and level up your armor. That doesn't count.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
Need to say it because Nehal abuses some random bullshit. Like bots in
Yeah, so-
fucking 1v1.
Wait, did you put the? Is it a max out?
They're inside the building.
If I kill you, what happens?
You level up.
They'll level up. He has to start from the beginning.
Oh, nice, well played. I was going to come and point blank you.
Oh no. I realized that you're that little bitch will come close range just to
I'm
punch.
using a Phoenix kit.
I was going to hit you.
Nah. With what
So,
you're
so now
ki-
you're a blue, I'm at white. Is that how this
Yeah.
works?
Exactly. And if I hit purple, right? I made some altercations because the game's too difficult. Just you can use a skull piercer. I no, you can use one attachment, one white attachment. Skull piercer is just too broken, I think. Hold on.
Go fight.
Pick up a shield. Pick
did.
up a
Oh, I
shield,
didn't.
Get ready. Yeah.
Why'd you come back up?
I just hold on, Nihal. Hold on. I need to set something up.
No problem. Take your time.
Just a second. Hey, what's up, Paul? Paul is in my stream.
Hi, Paul. Oh, why is Paul in your stream but not my stream? So mean. He has favorites.
Yeah, bro, cause sometimes I'm just more awesome than you. Let's go. I'm ready. Oh, fuck you, dude. Hiding right next to me. Oh shit, I got 45 damage on the thing. Oof, got wrecked.
That slows, that's why.
Yeah, realized.
So now I get to
You got
switch.
wrecked.
Now I get to go blue, right?
Yep. You don't get to go blue. You would have already leveled up to blue.
Yeah, but the thing is the shield was empty. Oh, Phoenix is at the thing.
I'll stream, alright, dude.
Ready?
Hold on, I'm not ready. Al's gonna try hard now.
Not tryharding, bro. I'm just using it.
Try hard, Nihal.
Teammates, dude.
Go.
At least it's good for good wingman practice.
It is
Nothing
good
else.
aim practice in general.
Okay, I'm here. My
We did
teammates
three
did
waving man
60 damage. 100 and something together. I did more than 1000. And it is an end game. Last
Not
squad.
good. Actually, that slow is very annoying.
It's very
Nihal,
annoying.
right?
That's why I've been in a lot of
Yeah.
gunfights with him.
Who you playing?
I'm playing
Okay, so
this what's his name?
Revenant.
Revenant.
Did it not slow? Does it slow?
Wait, so Ajit,
Yeah,
it
Revenant
didn't
has a
level
buff
up to
now.
purple.
No, it won't.
Oh,
It
it
won't.
won't,
It
okay.
won't directly level to purple.
The leveling up to purple part is bit hard.
Twitch is
Zero underscore
zero.
and
He should be under my friends. You can check
ZER
for that.
then O as in zero underscore N. Hey, dude, Paul's visited my stream.
Yeah,
Wait, Paul's back
is-
in Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
Paul should be in your stream now. Arun,
I
are
don't
you
know.
here?
I am here.
Okay.
Ready?
You wanna
can
stop,
wait.
Nihal?
I
Or do
can
you wanna
wait.
finish one more round?
Nehal,
Go
what's
ahead, Nihal.
your Twitch? Nehal, what's your
Huh?
Twitch?
Is that ERO?
0_.
Zero underscore what?
And
N or something.
Zero underscore N.
Wrecked by Nihal.
I use my alt like a little piece of shit. Okay.
That's
No,
okay.
you are
Everything is allowed.
Oh,
use
okay.
everything.
I had no complaints here.
Ajit, what if I use Loba and keep swapping shields?
Okay, that's not okay.
That's not okay.
Never mind. You can't use Revenant ult.
Dude, everything is allowed. You can use Loba if you want.
I would.
Yeah,
I would
but you
not.
can't shield swap. That's it.
Ready, Ajit?
Yeah.
I win. Red. I am red now.
Oh, got wrecked, bro.
Yeah, okay. I think I win. I'll put on
No
the
idea.
Discord. I'll put on the Discord.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It'll be a bit laggy. But
All right, boys. Let's. You guys want to actually climb rank this time?
Ajit, are you naked in your stream?
Do I look naked? Do you not see these
You do look
straps, you
naked.
motherfucker?
You
you wearing
you're
a
just
bandit?
wearing a bra. That's it.
Dude, I sleep half naked.
Dude, it's
so
2021.
comfortable.
If a
Fuck you
man wants to
guys.
wear a bra,
He
let him
just
wear a
showed
bra.
me his chest. He's wearing a bra.
All right, dude.
Ajit is naked.
Dude, it's
Fuck you guys.
2021. Okay?
Yeah,
If
Huh?
he wants to wear a bra, let him
Huh?
wear a bra.
I can
Yeah,
wear
Fair
a bra
enough.
if I
Wait,
want.
wait,
Now,
wait.
now everybody knows why he has been single all this long. We have been looking at the wrong side. We should start looking for guys now.
I know, dude. I'm good. I actually did enough stuff, and I'm done with her too. So all fine.
Hey chat, what do you say? Will I make Ajit rage quit today?
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Good luck.
Bro, also it says Nehal's channel is intended for mature audiences. What
Okay.
happened
Yeah, that's
here?
fair, right?
I set it up myself. Because I know the language I use.
So today I got really bored, and I was on Omegle, singing songs to random strangers. Damn, dude, there's so many fucking Indians there. So many Indians.
You know why, Ajit? Because it's free.
And like 90% of Omegle is
Indian dick.
no Indian dick and men.
Oh
The
no
only thing
no.
you can do-
Actually, you don't get if you put enough categories, right? I completely stopped getting those bots and dick people. It's actually fun. You guys should try it.
I watch a guy called the Do who
Oh, the do. I
Jump,
also
jump, jump.
do McNasty and all that. Oh, I love them.
the Do.
It was a lot of
Do-
fun.
Oh, thanks for the
The
follow,
Do
Paul.
plays guitar to all his Omegle friends.
Oh yeah. I was playing guitar too, man. It was a lot of fun. People give honest feedback.
Oh,
They
there's
can be absolute
a
dicks
weird
if you
lag
suck.
going on, boys, on the server.
Oh my god, who is this?
Of course.
Did I not tag? Okay, my bad.
Dude right next to me, somewhere.
That's me.
No, there's one more guy on top.
Okay, come, let's go get him.
I
I
don't
have
have a
blue
shield.
shield. I have blue shield. There's
Did
a
you
white-
climb
there's
this?
a white
Cross,
shield
you'll
over
get a
there.
shield.
There's a white
Where,
shield
where?
Cross, you'll
in
get a
one of
shield.
those bins.
Checking. It'd be nice. Yeah, I got it. People landed with us for
Yeah.
sure.
For sure. They must have gone to.
Did you open this? Did you open these bins?
No, these weren't
Yeah, I
open.
didn't
I'm
open
not
the
close to you
bins.
guys.
Can you come close to us?
Oh, they're close to me.
I can hear them.
You can hear them?
Yeah.
Or do you hear me?
They're
I
on
heard
me.
them,
They're on
they
me.
heard-
They're on
Yeah,
me.
see, they crossed over. Come, Hutchins, push.
Fuck
They're
it.
on me.
I got my wingman. I'm coming.
I
I
feel
think
them.
he's running into you.
He's above me. He's
It's
above me. He's
it's
above me.
an
He's
upstairs,
above me.
it's an upstairs. They ran too.
You do not need fighters, man.
They're trying to flank us. It's not. They're not avoiding fight. They're just trying to flank.
Okay, you're taking.
Oh, you needed it?
No, take it. I don't need it.
What the fuck are these guys, dude? search.
Uh,
Can
uh,
I zoom in.
Thank you.
Hey guys, after this game I need to pause, okay? My settings got reset because my game got reinstalled.
sure, no problem. Dude, I'm missing Sid. I've not heard from him in so long.
Rizant is so busy right now. He's doing this new program.
Hmm?
Like he's got this new client, so he's working overtime right now. He wants to leave though, but his work is good. So I don't understand.
Oh, I got a gold knockdown shield. What does it do?
You can res yourself.
People looted this side too. People looted Gauntlet.
Let's be honest, I'm the only real champion here.
I'm playing Fuse.
Your shots, where?
On me, dude. Where? Oh, Nehal is dead. Nehal behind you.
Potato.
Come on, Nehal, you can do it. You can do it. Don't do that now, they'll pick you off.
Ajit is not even anywhere near us.
Fighting somebody else.
It's nearby. I was.
Come on, Ajit, you can do it.
Knock
Yes,
one.
down
Good
and
job.
run now.
Fuck! I got stuck! Fuck! Run!
Ajit's like, just before this game, are you ready to rank up? Not with my aim.
I don't mind, dude.
I
There's
also don't
nothing
mind.
called
I am
ranking
having
up.
fun, dude. I enjoy this
Epic.
gameplay.
As long as you don't do bullshit stuff like the randoms in this game and just die. I'm
No,
fine.
dude. I will play with team because we coordinate. You recover both our banners?
They're fighting somebody else. They're fighting
Yeah,
somebody
recover
else.
both the
Ajit,
banners,
heal,
recover
heal
both
first. Ajit, no, heal first.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ajit dead. Ajit
They're
dead. Ajit
dead.
dead.
The guy on top of
There's a mastiff.
on top
Ajit. There's a
of you is
mastiff there
dead.
in the box. Can you pick it up for me? Please pick up the mastiff.
No, fuck off, bro.
Ajit, I
Not
dare
enough
you to
time.
dare you to rest us there.
No. Res us towards the center beacon. Res us in the center beacon.
I'm going to the safe one.
No, don't go there. That's
No,
the ring is
Gauntlet one
closing.
safe, yeah.
That's
You-
okay,
Again?
dude. It's inside the ring.
Ajit, when you're jumping, Crouch
Sure,
and
tits
slide.
donate. Alright, man. You want my tits, really? Fuck you. Sim. Gay boy.
Ajit, if you
You're
clutch
saying
this
that to
game,
Arun of all the people.
I send you a tit snap. Okay,
I
so
am red.
what's-
Fuck you,
so
bye.
jump, listen to me. So
Yeah?
how the jump pads work right now is if you slide into it,
Mhm.
you long jump, and if you jump or run into it, you high jump.
I suggest we just run away.
Dude, if we win this game,
It's all because of me. Yeah.
it's
I
all
know.
because of Ajit. Watch
They're
him die.
coming. They're coming. Just run.
I like how they
Okay.
made an Australian person.
I'm giving some
Ajit,
car
Ajit.
fire. Just run, please.
Arun, we already
Gone. I've
looted that.
disappeared. I'm in the wind.
Arun, we already looted that.
We
I
can
know,
loot
I'm just
again, dude.
running.
We didn't loot it properly.
We did.
I'm telling you for sure we didn't loot it
Do it
properly.
properly.
Okay,
got
okay. Hey, bye. How you been? When you coming back to Bangalore?
Soon.
Are you pie, you stupid shit? I don't know, man. I'm sorry for being mean to you for no reason, but for some reason, the way you talk makes me want to be mean to you.
Okay, be mean to each other. It's fine. We all love each other.
Oh shit! So if you press jump, it
OP,
jumps
short
higher,
tits,
that's nice.
donate $5. You heard him, Arun. He'll donate $5.
No, he's talking to you.
Oh no, it's on
Talking
Arun's
to
stream. It's
me
Arun's
too.
stream. It's on Ajit's stream, sorry.
Yeah, it's on my stream.
Okay, looks
So
like
I
I'm playing
said-
longbow.
Ajit, you clutch
Hmm?
this game. I show tits.
Okay. Oh no, give me Mastiff.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I want to play Mastiff. Take Volt.
Okay.
Didn't I technically clutch just now?
I mean, clutch this game. Win it
Shotgun
for us.
ammo?
It's
Ah,
here.
there.
I don't have enough energy ammo. Actually, you guys have shit too.
Come.
Come. Let's loot
Ah,
water.
got it.
Water treatment.
We'll go anywhere you want, Weber.
I mean, somehow we managed to fix our boo-boo and get back on our feet like as if it happened.
And I know, right?
Those
Good
guys are so
recovery, boys.
intent on killing Nehal
I know,
that
right?
they completely forgot there was a third guy.
Flatline here.
No, I hate this guy, dude. Fuse. Not that good.
They
I don't
looted.
know why. To...
They looted.
What's his ult?
It's Tachanka. No, yeah, the current Tachanka ult. Fire.
What's his special?
He can carry 2 nades in one slot, and that's pretty much it. His Q is also a nade.
That sucks.
Evo shield
Sniper's
here.
triple
Level 1.
take here.
Nehal, that's a shotgun sniper.
Oh no, dude, I love nading. It's actually not bad, Nihal.
Oh, you love this guy then?
Check out here.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys basically
You
just
saw all
nade.
my nade clips, right? I unlocked him. I'll start playing him. I need to figure out all his
Oh,
abilities
I know.
completely.
I know triple take. I love triple take, bro. My favorites.
Triple take is like a shotgun now.
I know. It's one of my favorites.
Extended
sniper mag here.
mag for you.
Level 2.
It's mine. Don't touch it.
A triple take and a golden sniper mag is like playing a shotgun.
We are living on scraps, right, everyone?
No, no.
Yeah,
I have
course.
actually enough to fight. Except I just have to
Oh,
level
what?
up my armor.
New area?
Yeah, yeah.
Damn.
Map became bigger. Did you not see the video, the starting
Man,
video?
I half-assed it, bro.
The thing that crashed is there.
Go here.
Yeah, there's a longbow if anyone wants.
I switched for a triple take.
Oh, longbow is too hard to work around.
Yeah, dude. Why we
I mean,
going
it
closer
deals
towards the edge?
74 damage in body, but I still cannot do it.
Go this way, right? Top.
The mistake and drop down.
Knockdown shield here. Level 1. On ya. Standard stock. Gotta hop up here.
No, I made a mistake and drop down.
Replicators on the way, amigos.
Hmm.
Vault SMG. Energy ammo
How do you get up there? Oh, there.
There's a jump pad he put. Okay, this is not loaded. I'm just gonna go there. Hopefully I find something. Playing Lobo from next round.
I mean, we have 2 minutes to leave from here.
Okay, why we coming this way?
Just leave. Can
I
we just
don't
leave
know,
and
I
go back
dropped
to us
down.
and
Yeah,
Woohoo, that's got a kick.
get loot. I'm kind of set. I don't need more loot right now. Just wanna go for fights.
Never mind.
I have enough for one fight.
Sniper ammo? I'll bring it. Fuck it. Who needs extended heavy level 2?
I have it already.
I just need.
Got an Evo shield here.
Everyone has blue.
Level 2.
We're all split up, guys.
I know. This place is unlooted, so I'm
Dude,
just
I found
looting.
4 blue shields, by the way.
Nehal, you need a shotgun bolt level 2?
Standard stock here.
I have it. I have
Level 3.
Level 3 stock.
it. I am.
You guys have a battery? Do you need a battery? Anyone?
I have 2.
No, I need one.
Dropping one.
Shield battery here.
Oh, I don't have bat.
Did you
Okay, then
know
take it.
Fuse is,
Take it.
Fuse is Mirage's uncle?
Fuse is Mirage's uncle.
Yeah.
Fuse from Rainbow Six Siege is Mirage's uncle.
The guy, the Fuse I'm playing.
Oh, is that why he smacked him on his ass in the video?
Yeah.
Creepy.
There's a fight. Your fight, right?
Yeah,
Yep,
that's a 30-30 repeater that's
Wait for our
shooting.
boy. Wait for our boy.
So,
How's that gun? I didn't get it yet.
that gun is very deadly if you land the shots. It's 74 headshots, but if you charge it and the charge is like in a second, 100 headshot. If you charge it and you hit a body shot, it's 74. Without charging, it's 57. Still
Okay.
does
Oh,
a lot.
oh,
golden,
nice.
golden light, tick, tick, tick. Not for me.
I'll take.
That increases
I'm
reload speed,
looking
right?
for golden heavy.
Energy ammo here.
I found what's that? The repeater.
It's very hard to play. You need to get used to the delay it has. But if you can manage the land shots, right? Just come here. I think I found another golden.
It's go time. Already inside the ring, fellas.
Never mind. That was a golden bag.
Level 2.
I just want to fight, but I'm getting bored. I don't want to win the
Yeah,
game without fighting.
Gotta go here.
I have my ult and all that. Let's take a proper fight, right?
Say,
It's not gonna
The
end well
middle
for
mouse
me.
button's kind of bugged.
Need more kills. Which
People here. Backing up bit. Yeah,
Dropping
back
my
up,
ult.
back
I'm
up.
dropping my ult.
Oh, you
Come
drop
back.
your ult. One guy drop down.
Broke one shield.
Charging on my shields.
My death protection's almost up.
Where do you drop the death protection, by the way? I can use it too.
On my ping.
I'm just gonna.
Somebody put
guy's
your
getting shot.
Adit, can you put your jump pad? Can I?
Jump pad already used. Shield down on people. I'm pushing up. I'm already up.
There's just two people. You can finish them off.
Yo, replicators coming in for a
Smoke, smoke.
Their shields surrounded completely. You need to go push.
Got knocked.
What the fuck?
He's dead. Just finish him off. Just super lit. There. He's dead, dude. He's running out and dying. Ajit, can you come back? Not run
Yeah,
behind
he's
him.
dead. He's dead.
nailed that whole
I need ammo.
Pick me up first.
Hop up here. Skull piercer. I like the
Yeah.
sound of that. Get up before I kill you myself. Get up before I kill you myself.
You gotta
Dude,
jump
why
up.
are you raising? There's a guy.
I'm baiting him.
No.
No, not
Fuck.
happening. He came from the left side.
My bad.
No, there's another team. This is another team.
Yeah, I know. I finished off their team right there.
45 seconds.
My body outside. Just run.
Can't do it. They're gonna push after me.
I didn't know. I thought there was one more guy from this the last squad we were fighting.
No.
Nice try.
Finally.
They're waiting the third party.
Yeah, obviously, dude.
Hey, dude, I think we just gotta. Hold on. I need to change some settings. Numbers, damage, stacking. What setting did I keep previously? Is my previous setting saved? Or does it reset?
It resets.
Okay, tell
What?
me the settings to use again. I forgot.
It's pretty much default on everybody. Prompt style is
Okay.
default. Show me. Win stacking default on off. Auto sprint is on for me. You can turn it off.
Oh,
if
yeah,
you-
yeah. It should be on for me. Double tap sprint. No.
I keep my.
No, that is off. No, just turn it on. It'll just auto sprint. Why bother? There's nothing like if you walk, there's no sound. There is still sound.
Hop up. What is hop up?
That is it?
Yeah.
Which setting is that?
Pop up in gameplay.
Okay.
That is all on.
Autonomous mode,
Streamer mode is
disable.
on if you want it to keep it on. If you want streamer mode, they'll turn on.
All players' names. And the name of the player that kills you is anonymized. All enemy player names are anonymized. I don't really care.
They can put a claim. Colorblind mode is obviously you
Oh,
won't have color.
okay then. Fuck it.
Mouse and keyboard controller is where you should maybe have to change.
Sensitivity is the same, I think. None of it is changed. The controls are same too.
Okay, cool.
Lighting effects. Yeah, let that be on. I think my video is fucked. Minimal field of view is fine. Brightness is fine.
Oh my
Nvidia
god,
reflex. I don't know.
you
VSync
can't look
shit.
at mine. Field of view. Increase your field.